Huawei confirms Mate X2 will be powered by the Kirin 9000 chipset. On its Weibo handle, Huawei officially confirmed that it will announce the successor to the Mate XS. The Huawei Mate X2 will be announced on February 22. This comes shortly after a report speculated the design was folding smartphone's launch was imminent. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. Huawei CEO Richard Yu shared on Weibo that the Mate X2 will be unveiled on February 22. He says that foldable flagship will lead the new form of smartphones in the future. As you can see in the image, the phone will have an inward folding design unlike the original Mate. Another surprising detail revealed today is that the Mate X2 will be powered by the Kirin 9000. It's not a surprise that Huawei wants to use its best chip. It's a surprise that the company has any in stock. New chips have not been produced since September 2020. The poster teases the Mate X2 display, which will invert the folding direction of the screen to an inward folding one. The Huawei Mate X2 will be announced on February 22 with inward folding display and Kirin 9000. Previously, the X2 passed through TINA, which revealed that the phone will have a 6.45-inch external display with the surprisingly reasonable 21:9 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1160 by 2700 pixels. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a linky 25:9 display. The internal screen will be largest on a foldable yet, measuring 8.01 inch in diagonal, 2220 by 2480 pixel resolution with a squarish 10:9 aspect ratio. Inside will be 4400 mAh battery with a 66 watt fast charging support. The quad camera on the rear will have a 50 megapixel main sensor with a 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 12 megapixel periscope lens and an 8 megapixel depth sensor configuration. Leakster Digital Chat Station posted this image showing the Mate X2 in closed and open positions. It shows a dual punch hole on the external screen with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, while the large internal screen is spotless, free of any holes and notches. While it comes from TINA and should be quite reliable, this information has not been officially confirmed. All Richard Yu and company revealed today are the inward folding design and the Kirin 9000 chipset. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Huawei Mate X2 this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.